Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, when I'm going to show you if you can't update to macOS 26 Tahoe beta version. Now it's available public beta. In September the official version gonna release, but before that, if you want to try public beta and you are unsuccessful, first you have to check if your Mac is eligible or not. All of the version with M1, M2, M3 Apple Silicon processor after 2020 or later is eligible. Some of the Pro version from 2019 is also eligible. Basically 2019 after 2020 they are eligible. So I'm not gonna read all of them. Check this one. Pause the video to read if your Mac is here or not. Then you can do something. You can see here Apple logo. Click this one. The first option you see here is about this Mac. Click this one. Check your Mac version. For example, I have Mac Mini 2024 with Apple M4 chipset. So this is the last version of Mac with Apple chipset M4. This is eligible. So if your Mac is older than 2020 than M1 or 2019, that you can't install beta version, neither Tahoe version. And despite if you see your version is available, if you are eligible to your Mac at the same time, if you don't see, you can do something. Let's go to the setting. In general options, software update, normally it should appear here. You see Mac OS Tahoe 26 public beta already have installed. If it's not available, you can see here sometimes this option is off automatic. You have to put your passwords. For example, if automatic secure update, here you have to go inside download and you have to hit on for all this, activate all this thing on. Click for check for update. It should appear here. If you don't see that, then you can open any browser. I'm opening Safari or Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, whatever you like. Type Apple Developer. Go inside Apple Developer. So you can try any beta before the public release. For public beta of Mac 26 OS, you may not need this option, but if it's not appear in your computer, you can try for check. To go inside the account option, you have to connect with the same account of your Mac. Hit continue, sign in. So make a developer account with Apple. All the things they ask you, fulfill all that. After that, if you come to setting option of your Mac previously, let's go back to the setting option. And if you refresh the page, go back to other option, then come back again to general, software update, check for update. It would appear here. Also, you can download. For example, I hit here developer at the top and here you see downloads. Click this one. You can download the beta. You see iOS 26 beta 4, iPad beta 26.4, macOS beta 4. I click here, allow, and it's downloading here. You see Universal Mac 26 beta version is downloading. 18 gigabytes of software you can download. After that you can install. After downloading Mac OS, if you can't install, or this page if you see white, that means you can't have Mac OS 26 beta public beta in your computer. Your computer is older to have this one. In this case, if you do some other process, different processes, you can install the same in Intel computer. Many software will work, many software you will have some glitch or other problem. So you decide what you want to do with that. So this is the way you can check the eligibility Mac OS 26 you can have or not. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.